My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw & Will. I'm an insurance agent. We're going to discuss what is property liability insurance. Now, first off, you're talking about two different types of insurance there. Property insurance is first-party coverage, stuff that you control that gets damaged. So if you have a house and a tree falls on it, nobody's negligent. It's not anybody's fault that the tree fell on it, but your house is damaged. So if you buy property insurance, that property insurance would pay for your house to be repaired or your property be fixed. Liability insurance, on the other hand, is out there to protect you from other people who sue you claiming negligence on your part. So let's say you have a rotten tree on your property and your neighbors ask you to cut it down repeatedly and you don't, and the tree in a windstorm falls on their house. Well, you should have cut the tree down. You were negligent for not doing it because a reasonable person would have cut it down, and the damage to the other person's house is now your responsibility. In that scenario, you have liability exposure because you're liable to the other person because of your negligence. The damages that your negligence caused was damage to the house where the tree fell on it. So if you're talking about what is property liability insurance, there are package policies out there that include both property coverage, first-party coverage, coverage to your property, and they include liability coverage, coverage to third parties where you're negligent and you've had a judgment against you or your negligence has caused damages to them. So depending on what you're looking for will depend on whether you look for liability insurance or property insurance. But in most cases, for both businesses and personal individuals, homeowners policies, those two lines of coverage are packaged on one policy. And if you need a package policy, then I'd encourage you to talk to an independent insurance agent. My name is Jared Morgan with Bradshaw & Will. We've been discussing property and liability insurance.